Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11 trigonometry. In that, I am going to revise the topics. T ratios of complementary angles. T ratios of complementary angles. We discussed they are sin 90 minus theta is equals to what? Cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Okay. Next, tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equals to, that is tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equals to cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equals to sec theta. So we discussed in previous class T ratios of a complementary angles. They are these. Okay. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta, cot 90 minus theta tan theta, sec 90 minus theta cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta sec theta. So now in this class we are going to discuss some problems on this T ratios of a complementary angles. Okay. Exercise 11.3. The first main is given. Evaluate. The first one is given tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. What is the given question, Anna? Tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Now you see its solution. First of all, I am taking the first one. Your wish, you take the first one, or numerator part or denominator part, you take, that is your wish. I am taking numerator part here, that is tan 36 degrees. So tan means I am writing tan only, tan ratio only. 36 degrees we can write it as 90 degrees minus 54 degrees. 36 degrees nela rayachunanu, that is 90 degrees minus 54 degrees. 90 minus 54 ante 36 only. So you try to see here, ee part lo oka formula anedi manaku use avutundi. What is that one? That is tan 90 minus theta is equals to what? That is cot theta. Tan 90 minus ఈ 54 నేను ఏమనుకుంటున్నా ఇక్కడ theta. So tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. So then we can write it as cot theta. Theta plus లో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ 54. So that's why we can write it as cot 54 degrees. Tan 36 degrees is equals to tan 36 ని 90 minus 54 అని రాశాను. So based on this one, tan 90 minus theta అంటే cot theta. So that's why cot theta plus లో 54 రాశాను. Now see, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees is equals to tan 36 ante we get what, Nana? That is cot 54 degrees by again cot 54 degrees is there. Then cancel means we get what, Nana? 1. So this is the required answer. Okay. Okay, students. First main only I am taking this time second question, that is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. So you take the first cos 12 degrees or sin 78 degrees, your wish, ఏదైనా ఒకటి తీసుకోండి. This time I am taking second one, that is sin 78 degrees. Okay. So sin means I am writing the sin ratio only. Sin 78 ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? We can write it as 78 degrees ni we can write it as 90 degrees minus 12 degrees. 90 degrees minus 12 degrees means that is what, 78 degrees. But here we get a formula. What is that one? That is sine 90 minus theta is equals to, that is cos theta. Okay, sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. So see here, sine 90 minus theta ante theta place lo emundi ikkada 12. So then we can write it as cos theta ante that is 12 degrees. Now I am writing what is the given part, that is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. So cos 12 degrees means I am writing cos 12 degrees only minus sin 78 in the place we get what, nana, that is cos 12 degrees. Okay na, sin ratio lo sin 70 ante cos ratio lo adi cos 12 degrees. Then I am writing that is cos 12 degrees. Then cos 12 degrees minus cos 12 degrees, that is equals to what? This is the required answer. Okay. Okay students, now the question number 4. Okay na, third question, it is the model of second one. So now coming to the fourth question, evaluate sin 15 degrees into sec 75 degrees. Sin 15 degrees into sec 75 degrees. So now see its solution, nana. You take the first one, sin 15 degrees or sec 75 degrees, your wish, edaina okati teeskondi. So this time I am giving the priority for the first one. Sin 15 degrees is equals to, sin means I am writing, otherwise you can take the second one, sec 75 degrees is equals to, okay, sec means I am writing sec only, 75 degrees ante we can write it as 90 minus 15 degrees. 90 minus 15 degrees ante 90 degrees minus 15 degrees means that is 75 degrees. So ikkada manaki ఏ ఫార్ములా యూస్ అవుతుంది, the required formula is that is sec 90 minus theta. For this one I taken this, okay, sec 90 minus theta, that is equals to what, nana? Cosec theta. Okay, so this is the required formula. Now sec 90 minus theta means that is cosec theta. Cosec theta ante theta plus lo 15 degrees, so you can write it as 15 degrees. Okay, now I am taking what is the given part, that is sin 15 degrees into sec 75 degrees. This is the given. Yes, sin 15 degrees means I am writing sin 15 degrees only. Okay, sec 75 degrees means what, nana? That is cosec 15 degrees. Okay, cosec 15 degrees. So I want to say one useful formula we discussed in reciprocal relation, that is sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta. What is the formula, nana? Sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta in reciprocal relation. Okay, and cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. Okay, so these are the useful formulas. Now you can apply for sin or cosec, that is also your wish. I am applying for cosec. Sin 15 degrees ante sin 15 degrees rastunnanu into cosec 15 degrees means what, nana? We can write it as 1 by sin 15 degrees, because of cosec theta ante 1 by sin theta. That's why cosec 15 degrees means that is 1 by sin 15 degrees. Now sin 15 degrees cancel means 1. This is the required answer for this question. Okay ma? Okay students, now the question number 2. In that first one is given, show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equals to 1. So this is the LHS part and 1 is the RHS part. Okay, so first of all I am taking here, I am taking first of all tan 48 48 degrees. Tan ratio means I'm writing tan ratio only. 48 degrees. 48 degrees means we can write it as 90 degrees minus 42 degrees. 90 minus 42 ante that is what nano 48. But here formula is useful. Same formula, that is tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta, that is equals to what nano? Cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Okay, so tan 90 minus 42 degrees means we can write it as cot theta ante theta place lo 42 only, so that's why we can write it as 42 degrees. Okay, now I'm taking the second one, that is what nano? Tan 16 degrees. Tan 16 degrees. So tan ratio undi kabatti as usual ga I'm writing tan ratio only. 16 degrees means we can write it as 90 minus 74 degrees. Okay, 90 minus 74. 90 minus 74 ante manaki 16 degrees vastundi. Okay, so then again the required formula is this one only. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Ikkada cot theta ante theta place lo what nano, that is 74 degrees. Okay, so now coming to the LHS part. What is the LHS part? The given LHS part is tan 48 degrees, tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. So this is the given LHS part. So tan 48 degrees means what nano? Tan 48 means that is cot 42. So in the place of tan 48 I'm going to write cot 42 means that is cot 42 degrees into tan 16 degrees. Tan 16 degrees means that is what? Cot 74 degrees. We can write it as cot 74 degrees. As usual ga tan 42 రాసేస్తున్నాను. Tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees. Okay, so would you have a reciprocal relation? What is that one? That is tan theta. Tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. You can write like this. Okay na? Tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. So ikkada cot 42 degrees undi. Cot 42 degrees ante cot theta. ఈ 42 degrees ని theta అనుకుంటే cot theta. Cot theta అంటే ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? We can write it as a 1 by tan theta. So that's why I'm writing this one 1 by tan 42 degrees into here cot 74 degrees means again cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta means you can write it as 1 by tan 74 degrees into here tan 42 degrees, here tan 74 degrees. Clearly tan 74 degrees, tan 74 degrees cancel. Tan 42 degrees, tan 42 degrees cancel. So what is the required answer?
1.
That is 1. What is the RHS here?
1.
The RHS part is 1. The LHS part we get what nano? 1. So LHS is equals to RHS. What is our question? Show that LHS is equals to RHS. Okay students, so this is the required answer for the question. Thank you.